Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. In today's video, I'll be talking about real estate and rental properties versus crypto. As you guys can see behind me is one of my rental properties. I'll show you a quick before and after. Over the last couple days, we pretty much repainted this house on the outside, and my team added brand new siding as well. We're still not finished. There's still some minor touches that we have to complete, but we are almost there. And now let me show you some pictures of how it looked before. Check it out. As you can see, it was like a weird brown color that wasn't painted for years and years and years. And the wood was very, very old. But underneath, it was excellent condition. So we had no problem putting the siding up. And now here's how it looks right now. Check it out. This is the front right now. We still have to do some minor touches. Now let me show you the front. This house has a huge front lawn. It is a corner lot. As you guys can see, this is an average house. A lot of YouTubers will show you these big mansions, these big villas, and a lot of stuff to convince you that they got money. But in reality, you don't have to buy these big mansions out in California or in Florida. You can buy everyday houses in your local neighborhood. Look at this neighborhood. All decent sized houses, normal neighborhood, and you still be able to make great amount of money. Another thing that I would like to mention, over the last 2 years, I haven't bought a single rental property. Simply because crypto has been on fire and it has been making me a good amount of money. But guys, once the market starts correcting and the real estate bubble pops, which eventually will, I'll be jumping into real estate again. I'll be converting all of my crypto profits back into real estate. And I'll be repeating this plan over and over again. My long-term goal is to accumulate even more rental properties. As you guys know, I was able to retire in my 20s due to real estate and due to rental properties, not crypto. But I believe right now, crypto provides an amazing opportunity to make money. And I'm sticking with crypto right now, but long term, real estate is where it's at. Also, over the last couple years, you were able to earn 10 to 20% APY on your stable coins. And in my opinion, that was a great opportunity to make some easy money. Way better than taking risk on real estate, especially if you are new to investing. But right now, those APYs are going away and people are looking for other ways to make money in crypto and in real estate. So make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and I'll be showing you guys how to make money in both. And now let me tell you why I prefer to invest in crypto over real estate in the current market. As you guys know, real estate prices have skyrocketed over the last couple of years. And houses that I purchased 4 or 5 years ago, their value has almost tripled. And I'm sitting on a ton of equity. But in reality, guys, right now, real estate prices are simply too high for my liking. So I'm simply sitting on the sidelines waiting for the market to correct. And then I'll be jumping back into real estate to buy more rental properties. Also, interest rates are rebounding big time. Now they are close to 5%, which is insane. And especially if you are buying rental properties, that interest rate will be even higher. Also, buying rental properties requires a lot more capital upfront versus crypto. For example, if you are looking to buy a rental property that costs $100,000, if you're a first-time investor or you're new to the game, chances are you're going to be putting down 20%. And then you're probably going to need another 10% in savings in liquid funds to repair the property. So for a $100,000 property, you are going to need $20,000 for a down payment and then $10,000 to fix up the property and get it rent ready. So $30,000 in total. But in crypto, you can invest with as little as $100 or $1 or $1,000. In crypto, $30,000 can go a long way. For example, the $100,000 property, it will take anywhere between 30 to 60 days to close and then another couple weeks to fix up, to get it rent ready, to list it, to find a tenant. So around 3 months. And then on that $100,000 property, with your $30,000 invested, you're going to make anywhere between $300 and $500 in profit after all expenses are paid at the end of each month. But with crypto, $30,000 can go a long way. And right now, the crypto markets are super hot, and there's a lot of brand new projects coming, and a lot of people making massive profits. So $30,000 in crypto can easily be flipped into $40,000 or $50,000, possibly even $60,000. So you have to take the risk. Either buy a rental property, invest $30,000, make $500 a month passive income, but you also have to take on the risk of a mortgage, bad tenants, major repairs, all of that stuff. Or take $30,000, invest in crypto to potentially make $60,000. But crypto has a lot of risk as well. Personally, I'm willing to take the risk with crypto over real estate in the current market. Like I mentioned in my previous video, real estate has a lot more benefits than crypto, especially when it comes to taxes. But if you are looking to make fast money, quick money, in my opinion, crypto is the way to go. My strategy is very simple. I will invest in crypto and make as much profit as I possibly can. And then when the real estate bubble bursts, which I believe will happen in the next 12 to 24 months, I will start buying real estate again, and I will scoop up as many rental properties as I possibly can. And then once I accumulate even more rental properties, and then the real estate market starts pumping once again, I will pretty much move over to crypto again. Guys, the same thing happens with crypto. As you guys know, in the beginning of this bull run, everybody was jumping on Bitcoin and Ethereum. They had their massive runs. Then the meme coins came. Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and a ton of other meme coins pretty much took over the entire crypto market. Then they faded away as well. Now it's all about NFTs, the metaverse, but eventually that will fade as well when a new trend comes out. So you constantly have to follow the money if you want to make those profits. Also, the same thing is true in the real world. For example, if the real estate market is pumping big time, it is hitting all-time highs after all-time highs. A lot of smart money will pretty much get out at the very top and move over to the stock market. Then when the stock market starts pumping, they move over to something else. They constantly move their money in order to make those profits. The real estate market moves a lot slower than crypto. But in my opinion, owning both crypto and real estate and stocks is the best way to go. So definitely diversify, definitely have your fingers in every investment possible. The more passive income you make, the easier your life is going to be. All right, everybody, that concludes this quick little video. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto. And if you have any questions whatsoever, drop them in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer and help out as much as I possibly can. See you in the next video. Peace out.